the inside equals 0. So take x plus 4 and say what x will do that? Well, x negative 4. There's the answer. Now this next one's going to be a little trickier. We take the inside, and now the domain, they want the domain. The domain, remember the inside of a log cannot be 0 and it cannot be negative. You can try it on your calculator. If you try the log of 0 or the log of a negative number like negative 1, either way you'll get an error. You can't have negatives or 0 in a log. The inside of a log cannot be 0 and it cannot be negative. So the inside of a log, oops, let me change the color here. The inside of a log is only positive. So the inside is got to be greater than 0. That means only positive, doesn't it? Greater than 0. So take the inside and say, okay, inside 3 plus 4x, you have to be greater than 0. So now let's solve for x. And so subtract 3 from both sides. 4x is greater than negative 3. Last step to finish getting x alone, divide by 4. X has got to be greater than negative 3/4. Here's how you say that on an interval, right? Because if you have a number line and you have negative 3/4 right here, it's got to be greater. It's got to be to the right. So negative 3/4 to infinity. It's got to be parenthesis because it's not equal to. It's greater than, because it can't be equal to that number. It can't be right on it. And the last one, find the domain and range